Hey channel link holder, I have two good news for all of you and absolutely one bad news. The bad news is that my friends too this time channel link is completely and lost now, fails down. And what's the good news is I will tell you my brother, but kindly before I get started this video I have to tell you to this video I predicate this code, I will give you advice, I will give you my friend share my opinion. Let's start this brand video without any time waste, but kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So my brother, this time the rank has come to 15. My friend, I hope they will hit 10. They are come down to top 10 my brother, but it is possible if you hold it now. Remember, this is not a financial video, I just advise you my brother, and be ready from my friend big jumps and be safe from the loss now. So just only you need to subscribe this channel my brother. Channeling one of the fastest coin, as you can see here the last 7 this chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely showing to the coin is completely fails down. You know what's the reasons to they will fails down? Absolutely my friend, there is a lot of chances my friends to they will move upward now, and the reasons I want to tell you my friend, the reasons to they will fails down. The first reason is that my friends, to in those days especially every type of currency will fails down, so therefore make sure to be safe from this type my friend fails, and absolutely they will give you a profit if you hold it now. So you need to hold and wait for a good time, but this is my friends jump time, so make sure to absolutely don't sell it and hold it now. I hope my friends they will take a very huge jump now. Let's see my brother, but kindly holder, be remember to after a loss they will take a jump, but absolutely after a jump they will fails down. So therefore after a jump be remember my brothers, so they are also losing now, so be safe from the loss now. Let's see to what they do, but kindly holders you need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. See you next time.